Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2016 Nissan Qashqai. Now of course, as you can see, you do have front parking sensors, your LED daytime running lights. You've then got these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and condition of these alloys. But coming round to the rear now, as you can see, we've also got your rear parking sensors. Then into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that will fold flat with the boot floor when they are on the upper level. As you can see here, all you need to do is simply pull the boot floor out and it will reveal a deepened boot floor to allow for more objects to be stored. Then coming around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we've got your full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got full electric windows all round. Then into the front, we've got your 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see just there. We've got dual climate control, and then we've also got your radio media settings, so you do have FM and AM, and then you've also got your auxiliary just there. By the looks of it, you do also have your Bluetooth hands-free. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your onboard computer controls as well. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control settings with your Bluetooth hands-free just below. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 29,669 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Qashqai, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.